Welcome back, Crammers, to question 23. Teresa invests 2,000 for 3 years in a savings account. She gets 4% each year compound interest. How much money will Teresa have in her savings account at the end of the 3 years? So we can see here that the formula for compound interest is A is equal to principal amount times 1 plus interest rate over 100 to the power of nt. Don't worry, I'll explain. A is the final amount. P is the initial amount you start with. We put 1 plus the interest rate is already given here as 4%. Divide by 100. N is the number of times she invests per year. So since this is only once per year, we simply write here 1. And T is for how many years? So we can simply write that as 3. We can simplify this to A is equal to 2,000 into 1 plus 4 over 100 is 1.04. 1 times 3 is 3. So we can then put this into a calculator to find our answer, which is given to us as 2,000 into 1.04 to the power of 3, which is 2249.7. 2249.7, correct to the nearest dollar. So that means we have to round this up. So when we round this up, it changes the 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10, and that adds 1 here. So that means A is equal to 2250. $2250. Sam invested T dollars. The value of his investment decreased by 9% each year. So that means that it is simply 1 minus 9 divided by 100, or we can simply write as 1 minus 0.09. We can see here at the end of the first year, the value of Sam's investment was $1,365. Work out the value of T. So since we know that it decreased by 9%, this is simply 100 minus 9%. So we can simply write here 1,365 divided by this value. So 1 minus 0.09. So we can actually put brackets here, and we can use our calculator here to find the answer. It is 1,365 divided by 1 minus 0.09, which is 1,500. 1,500. Considering that his investment decreased, the initial amount will be greater than the final amount. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.